Hell yeah.
Do it.
All
He
right.
said there was a banshee nearby, but
What?
it was just
What,
me.
what volley?
What? I was just saying, do it.
What?
Oh, okay.
What?
Ah!
Gato, please.
Okay, guys.
I need grandma.
Don't do it. Garrett, I'll buy you a new car.
Yeah.
Gotta shoot your ass, bro.
He's not gonna do shit.
Okay, I'll see you guys in 2 fucking weeks.
No, don't do that.
You're not gonna do nothing, bro. Chill.
What the fuck?
What are you doing? Wait, can you go up there?
Of course I can. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah!
Oh god!
Alright, we're gonna go back.
They're really bad at this. They're exceptionally bad.
Oh my
There we go.
Gato P, can you come down and lick that and make sure it's not
taste it. Blood
I am not licking blood.
Scotty, what did we hire you for?
Make somebody else do it!
What are you here for? Get on the
No,
phone
Leo,
and
you
start
do it.
thinking,
You
Pablo.
do it. I just licked the fucking window.
This is not the time for us to be unprofessional.
Remember?
We are in the facility. Shut the fuck up and lick the ground, you pussy bitch.
No, yeah.
Yeah, our last janitor became a judge, so we don't. I don't know if we have.
Oh.
So now you don't have any more janitor, Pablo.
Oh.
No, it's just me.
Is that not ketchup?
It's blood. It's fucking blood.
Okay, listen, brother. You shoot the bill for a janitor, okay?
It's ridiculous. We are barely through the front door. We have barely made it through the front door. This is.
Oh my god, this is awful.
Janitor.
Sometimes you have some juicy
Ugh.
steaks,
Okay.
you know, maybe
Okay.
some juice from the steak.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
but he
God.
He still is our
Hey,
janitor.
big tower, brother.
Can someone
No,
tell me what
don't
the
do
fuck
that.
is
Don't do
this?
that. Don't do
Can
that.
someone tell me what the fuck is this?
It's a tunnel, brother. That it's gonna be an underground garage.
Mm-hmm.
I was part of the construction crew for like an hour, and then I smoked a cigar and died.
You smoked a cigar
What?
and
See,
died.
there was a gas leak or something, and I lit up my
Oh
cigar.
my god.
Mm.
That wasn't very smart of you.
I just needed, I needed a puff, brother. I needed a puff.
Hey, you guys want to do?
Yeah, I want contests, game shows.
Alright, we'll
I like
be right there.
contests
We're
and
pulling up
game
to the ball
shows
now.
and shit like that. Yeah, that's
Okay.
the shit I like.
Okay.
We should buy a bulk of a bunch of cheap stuff
Where
and
the
try
fuck?
selling
Where are
it
you?
in trucks.
On my way.
Okay, see you soon.
Yeah, no worry, everything's under control.
Embry Hill, okay.
Yes.
We're gonna need to see the kitchen.
See,
Bottom line.
I'm security here. There's nothing to worry about.
He is security here. He is
If you're security, then why didn't you open the door?
Because.
Oh,
because-
okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, good.
We just did.
Mm.
Why didn't you just do that from the jump?
Mm.
Idiot.
Oh, I guess the fucking EMS has to come back.
Leo, me and my girlfriend we're gonna adopt you. Okay, you're gonna be my son now.
What?
Yeah, me and my girlfriend, we're gonna adopt Leo.
Hey, Simi.
Do I look like I'm up for adoption, Papu? If anything, you look like you're
You only need the aluminum or need
Oh my god! I was kidding, bro.
Any aluminum and plastic that you have?
Stab Gato P.
Hold
No,
on,
you
call me,
didn't.
Simi, I can't hear you.
I didn't do it, Papu. Yeah, I didn't see it.
Chat, somebody clip that. Somebody clip that. Somebody clip that.
Why would you automatically accuse Leo?
Listen, brother. I'm not
Gato
something
P.
that's just up for adoption, brother. If anything, you up for adoption, brother. Your name is Gato P, Papu. You belong to the pound. You belong to the pound, brother.
Damn, that's messed up.
Gato P, more like
Me and
Gato
my
P.
girlfriend, just want to adopt you.
No, you go adopt Otis or something, Papu.
Okay, I just need you to keep the gloves on. No clean fight. This is the south side. Do whatever the fuck you want. And on my mark, ready, set, go. Beat the fuck out of each other. Go, 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 go.
Yo, fuck. Hey. Oh.
Ain't no way. No way. No.
Has no fear.
You know what time it is?
No, Leo, no, no.
It's about that time.
Leo, no!
What? No, it's not that time. It's not that time.
Yo, you got a gun? Shoot him.
I don't got a gun. You got a gun?
No, I don't.
Leo, you got a gun?
It's about that time, GATO P.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck, T!
I'm fragile, don't push me.
Leo! 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 Come on. Oh, T!
That's crazy luck. There was an ambulance just here.
Why did it jump over the fucking? I didn't even. I hate these railings. I hate these railings. I hate them.
Help!
I hate them. Hate them.
Help!
Hate them.
Help! Fuck you. Go fuck yourself, you stupid fuck. No.
Speaks another language and I love it.
Did you see James' new outfit? Yes, I saw it
He's on my
yesterday.
toes.
I saw his
Thank you,
upside
Shitty,
down
by the
vest,
way.
and then
You
I
didn't
saw
have to
his
do that,
stupid Federale hat.
I saw.
Or his beret. It was dope.
You like?
Oh!
Didn't happen. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Everybody, close your eyes.
With arms wide open.
We definitely didn't kill a guy. We're near the layer.
I'm like 95% sure that was a local. Is it green?
What car is that?
Whose car is that?
Hello.
Who is that? Oh, hi.
Hello.
Sorry,
Charlotte, get out of here!
Get
out of here!
You fucking coax you.
Leave! Leave! I'm gonna kill you and your fucking family! Get out of here! Leave! Get out of here, Charlotte! Get out of here!
Why are you killing me, my family?
Leave! Oh my god, she started crying. Let's just run this up, bro.
I'll put it in your ass, man.
Oh my god, he's here! Oh fuck, bro! Fuck! Bro, there's one behind me!
Get to Octo!
I'm going back! No!
Yeah, GATO, I'm driving around waiting for you.
Come back to where you were, please!
Boom!
Ow, please! No, please!
I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach.
Oh!
What the hell? Where you at?
Nobody runs
Oh, he's punching me! Ah!
You fucking dolphin. Oh, you're assisting!
Get it.
Oh,
I'm getting him! Ducking!
Like when I'm cooking for myself, like pretty like heavy Asian.
Dolphin P
influenced
speaking
foods,
facts.
Oh,
down to
wow.
like the simplicity of shit, like.
Oh, damn, put it back on
Wow.
again.
What the fuck?
Oh, that was so nice. Thank you.
Oh, fucking. Oh,
So cute.
gross.
Thanks, guys, for helping me out, yeah?
I'm shooting this.
Yeah, of
motherfucker
course,
with a
man,
hunting
of course.
rifle.
Don't kick the car!
Thank you.
Don't kick the car!
Come here, Gato.
What, bitch?
Wow.
Emerson, hop in.
I vote for.
Yeah, sometimes I just like randomly look up shit, and that's just how I know things. I don't know, I'm also weird.
Ready, 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 ready?
Do what you want to do, okay?
Oh my God,
Be happy.
Jimmy.
Oh! No.
Idiot.
Alright, thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Prism on someone shooting PD Toe.
Oh, you look up to him?
Yeah, people that do paperwork and fucking actually.
Come here, you little unicorn.
He actually leads people. He's like the one person.
It's a yes or no
yes,
question.
yes.
I do too.
I don't know what the fuck that means. Wait, look up to. Oh my God.
It means she blows him. I don't know how to spell this out for you.
Sounds like Logan also blows him. Good shit, Logan.
Damn. Okay.
This is a GTR? This thing looks... Oh, it's a wide body. It looks so fucking mean as a wide body, dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
I had a
Leo, you
pact
cannot
with
get
all these
arrested.
people. I had a suicide pact with these people.
Just like the good old days, GATO.
Just like the good old days, baby.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get out!
Ah, now you can
I almost died.
That's a good read
You-
right there,
you
brother.
know
That is
exactly,
a good
baby.
read right there, brother. What can I say? Some things never change. Oh,
Woo!
some
Oh!
things never change, my friend.
Don't be Gato. Jesus, man.
Gato. Don't do it. Don't blow him now. Gato's right here. He's gonna blow him. Gato, what happened?
Did you have fun at what did you get sorted into?
Something along those lines, but I finished
Oh
quickly.
wait, is somebody gonna show me
what the fuck? What the hell is happening?
Oh my god!
Jesus.
Scary. That was really fucking scary. Dude, that's glass. That's fucking. That's a.
Bruh! Don't. Okay, this doesn't leave this moment. Okay. You're doing good, man. You're doing good. Yeah, if there's one thing I know is always let Leo drive, man. Even when sometimes. Always let Leo drive. Check the speed limiter, motherfucker.
No, it's off, but anyway, we don't need that, brother. Check me out.
Uh-huh. I hear you, motherfucker. Give me a second.
As my stunt coordinator and medical team, brother, it's your job now.
I fucking hate you sometimes, man.
Ah, I love you. Where's the bike, brother?
I don't know where the bike's at, motherfucker!
Come here.
Sir, what are you doing?
No entry. I missed.
Sir, step out of the vehicle.
I got this. Hold up. Watch
Oh,
this
okay.
shit.
Ooh.
Okay, that makes sense. I like
Oh,
that.
fuck! That was big brain! Oh!
Going for cuffs.
Motherfucker!
Yep.
No, bro!
It's crazy how that works.
my
Oh,
God.
Oh!
Oh my God!
Mando wanted to get some licks in. I'm sorry, y'all.
Okay, well,
He feels left out when there's police brutality and he doesn't get
get you
to
out
be a
of the
part of
street,
it.
sir.
Looks good. This is where I plan on getting Emmy pregnant. So. Yeah. Brielle's gonna be pregnant soon. Actually, she might not be, to be honest. My sperm cells are so strong. She's gonna have, oh, she has no idea. I think, no, Brielle, no. I said Emmy. I mean, but hey, Emmy said we could have threesomes. I don't know. We'll see.
Oh. Yeah. What if I propose right now?
And he may not remember. What if he doesn't remember? Oh.
GATO P.
I can't believe my boyfriend's proposing.
Will you make me the happiest G of my life and become my
Nancy, what do you
Cuban
think he'd
baby?
say? Oh my God.
Oh fuck.
I don't know if I should say congrats or hurt someone.
Hold on.
Going for cuffs. Oh!
What the?
What the fuck just happened?
I was trying to grab him and then he...
I meant going for cuffs.
Sir?
Oh!
Yo, what's up?
What the hell?
You broke. Now you getting your ass.
Gato, come here. Oh, don't shoot me. Going at burger, but it ain't good. Out of the way.
Ah!
I don't have the time for an insurance scam.
Yeah, we're good.
What do you
We're
mean
good.
insurance scam? You're gonna scam me?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Let's take that attitude down 2 clicks, and then let's give these couple of guys a couple of, healthy pats on the back. How about that?
Okay, you know what? How about I know just what'll help you out. How about
What?
a couple of adult beverages?
Ooh,
Yeah,
okay.
Make your day go a little bit
Ripster,
better.
all right,
There's one
shit.
for you, and there's one for you. All right.
Appreciate you, Ripley. All right. Yeah.
What else you got? I want more.
I've got a warm smile. I'm so glad you're okay.
Anything else?
And I was trying to still, help out the little mins any way I could, and then they beat down the door, and I had to jump out the window and throw a dog at their face as I escaped Cuba again.
So you were... hello? What is going on? Why do I hear a voice?
Stop breathing on him!
Thank you.
My apologies.
That was a little... Yeah.
What?
You are aware you have to obey traffic laws too, GATO P.
No.
No?
Well, only when I'm not getting caught. Ow! Fucking asshole. Dude, fucking, I love that motherfucker, bro.
Oh, no. There he is.
You son of a bitch, brother!
Ah!
I hope you think about what you did. Every time I hang out with you, somehow I end up in prison, brother. And I'm sick.
Ow! Stop it!
And I'm
Ow!
Leo, how much money? Oh! I was gonna ask how much money Leo had now.
You gotta quit hitting my boy with the hammer, man.
Okay, get in the car.
Ah!
I'm gonna shave a life today.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my
Dude,
God.
what the fuck?
You only get one
Oh my God,
shot.
oh my God.
What are you doing?
Bloom, can you fucking...
Remember the lesson I taught you
Yeah,
yesterday?
yeah,
You
no,
need to
I
do
didn't
that
learn
again.
anything from that. No!